Hello everyone, welcome to my NetSec channel. Today's video is going to talk about OpenWRT lab configuring AD-block to block all your ads for your home network. This is topology we configured last time. We installed all our OpenWRT virtual machine and all your internal network devices, including your smart TV, cell phone, laptop, tablet, printer, NAS, if they are using 192.168.2.4 as your default gateway, and the DNS also point to 192.168.2.4, then your traffic will go through OpenWRT first, then forwarding to your home Wi-Fi router. That gave us lots of ability to do session control, access control, AD blocking, traffic reporting, etc., etc. So this lab is going to focus on how to install OpenWRT AD block. If you search OpenWRT AD block, you will find this wiki post here. It was telling you what you can do, the combination, either using AD block, either using symbol AD block, or ban hosted list, this kind of package on your OpenWRT. So we are going to focus on the first one, AD block plus luci-app-adblock. There's a README. Let's go through that. This is DNS-based blocking. If you look at the prerequisite, you can see we need OpenWRT, the 19.07, which is our version right now. And you also need enable DNS. So basically all DNS you should use in OpenWRT as your DNS server. And then we need to have download utility with SSL support, wget, or area 2C, or fetch, uclient-fetch, or curl. And a certificate store such as CA bundle or CA certificate. Other requisites will be just optional. Here is the installation and the usage. So the installation steps is coming from the command line. We're gonna using wget to do that to make it more simple. Let's start it. Go to System, Software. You can search AD block. So then we found the AD block, we're gonna install it. It will automatically install dependencies. So just go ahead to install it. At the same time, we can look at the requirements. And we need to else luci-app-adblock as well. Dismiss. Luci-app-adblock, we need this one. Basically, this will gonna give you the wget management option. After you refresh the web page, you will see the services here, and then you can see AD block. You can see type error. Trim is not a function. I'm gonna give the system a reboot to see if it helps. Should system come back online from the reboot? Let's log in. Now we are good. After you install the AD block, give system a reboot. So by default, it's already enabled. And here you can choose a list here. By default, they have 4 lists has been chosen. And AD guard, there's 4. Anyways, so the settings has been configured by default. What we're gonna do is gonna start into testing. So one more warning. See that we're gonna install uclient-fetch with a lib-string variant or another download like wget, curl, or area2. Let's go to the package. Get wget. And the uclient-fetch is already installed. And also I like to have curl installed as well. Yeah, cat wget is here, curl is here. Perfect. It resolved the DNS name I have configured on me. We get IP. So it's working now. We go back to the service at block. Go to log view. Now we're going to do testing to see if it's working. Because we just recently installed the curl wget. We need to enable DNS report option to use reporting feature. DNS reporting feature. Let's see, where is it? Here. DNS reporting. Make a change, save, and apply. Enabled 4.0.7. Blocked domain is 42K domains being blocked. Let's give it a try. I have Windows 10 machine installed before. Let's look at the configuration. So this Windows 10 machine has IP 192.168.2.162. We have default gateway set up as our OpenWRT server, and 192.168.2.4 also used as DNS server. Now we're gonna give it a try for the DNS blocking, this AD blocking. I will start it from my from Yahoo, and I'm gonna try my website as well, since by default there's some ads there. Let's see Yahoo. Yeah, you can tell the ad has gone. Couldn't be found. Google ad, doubleclick.net is not there anymore. You're supposed to some ads here. It's gone as well. You can see advertise about our advertise. Interesting. Looks working well to me. How about my website? Look here, Ezoic. The report list there's ads placement here, but the ad is not showing. Other than that, everything shows well. It's working very well with my first try. And you can see at the bottom there's a placement here as well. And you can see this close icon for the ad, but the ad is not showing there. Perfect. So it is working. We did the 3 steps. We installed AD-block. We installed the luci-app-adblock web UI plugin. And then we installed the curl wget. We also enabled the reporting options. I want to take a look at reporting. Hopefully we can have some report around. Let's give it a refresh. We don't have a report yet, but that's okay. We can check the logs. We also need a tcpdump or tcpdump-mini. That's fine. We can get that done. So they do have a couple of requisites to get the reporting working. That's very important to know. Some requirements even not in README, but you are able to see from the log view. Let's get that to be installed. tcpdump. I like to have that. That's pretty much everything I want to show you. Even without those reporting option, you're still able to block the ads on your website as long as your DNS is pointing to OpenWRT. Of course, you have to install AD-block that software package. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.